Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off captions or subtitles on YouTube Shorts. If captions are popping up while you are watching shorts and you would like to turn them off, this guide will show you exactly how to do it. First, open up the YouTube app on your phone and find the short that is captions or subtitles showing on the screen. Tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. This will open up a small menu with additional options. In the menu, look for the captions option. If captions are turned on and you want to turn it off, simply tap on Turn Off Captions. This will stop captions from appearing on the shorts you watch. And that's it. You can now enjoy YouTube Shorts without captions or subtitles interrupting your viewing experience. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.